One day, while scrolling through Instagram in my free time, I found a really interesting short video.
When he says, "I love you," but Franz Kafka said, "If a million loved you, I am."
When I checked the account behind it, I was surprised to see that it had only been around for 4 months, but already had 550,000 followers and millions of views on its videos. So I was a bit curious about this, and I did some research and found 2 more pages doing the same thing. One started 2 months ago and has 7K followers, and the other, also new, has 6K followers. Pretty cool, right? Inspired by these achievements, I decided to make similar videos and share them on Instagram. And also in today's video, I'll show you how to make these videos using a free AI tool. Follow along with me and don't forget to watch until the end to learn the whole process. Let's get started. Now, the first step is to find this type of poetry lines. For this, you can start with searching on Google for poetry riz lines. Here, you will find a lot of related content. Alternatively, you can open Pinterest and search for the same thing. You will discover lots of unique and amazing poetry lines. If you're still not satisfied with the content, go to ChatGPT and ask, "Write 20 poetry riz lines for my Instagram Reels content." Specify that they should start with "when he says" and end with "I miss you," and paste the rest of the line. Don't forget to mention, write them in simple English in your prompt. Now, let's move on to the next step. Our next task is to find this type of background images. Again, go to Pinterest and search for rough oil paintings of couples. And as a result, here you will find many beautiful and amazing pictures that you can use in your video. If you still can't find a relevant image for your video, open the Leonardo free image generation tool. Create an account and then click on AI Image Generation. Choose the number of images and dimensions and select a 9:16 ratio. Then choose Leonardo Diffusion XL from the available options. Enter your prompt and click on Generate. For example, you can write a rough oil painting of a couple in love. And you will get 4 beautiful images as a result. You can also try another prompt, such as a rough oil painting of a couple staring at stars with a beautiful night background. Share your experiences with different prompts and discover unique visual combinations. What words or phrases worked best for you in creating captivating images? Drop your tips and thoughts below. All right? Now, let's move on to the next step, adding a voiceover. For this, go to the 11 Labs and select a suitable voice for your video. I personally like Antoni's voice, so let's go with that.
Logic will get you from A to B.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as...
Paste your chosen poetry lines. For example, I've selected these poetry lines for my video.
When I say I love you, I don't just mean you. Simply your whole existence is something I could never truly love without. When I say...
It's perfect. Let's download this. Now, on to our final step, editing. For this, I'll use the CapCut free desktop app. Open the CapCut app and upload all the images and the voiceover you generated from 11 Labs. Add all the images and the voice track into the timeline and set the image duration. Next, create an auto caption for your video. Then choose fonts, colors, and style. There are many options available. Experiment with different features like glow, background, and shadow to make your fonts attractive. Adjust the caption's position in the middle of the video. After that, add animation to each image. Simply select the image and click on animation. There are many animation options available, so choose one that makes your video engaging.
When I say I love you, when I say I love you.
You can also add transitions, effects, and filters from the available option. Now it's time to add background music. If you're uploading on YouTube, so go to the YouTube library and search for the music which suits your video and download it. Or if you're going to upload on TikTok or Instagram, choose viral or trendy music for this and add it on your video. Finally, to export the video, click on Export, name the file and export it to your computer. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted video ready to be shared on your Instagram Reels or any other platform you prefer.
When I say I love you, I don't just mean you. Simply your whole existence is something I could never truly love without.
By this way, you can create many videos and post it on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok account. If you found this video helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section.